Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the continuation class of Changes Around Us, session number 2. Children, in this class we are going to discuss about activities on changes that cannot be reversed, such as burning of a candle, heating wax, burning incense stick, curd and warm milk, salt and water. At last, could there be other ways to bring a change? Let us discuss one by one. Children, this is an activity related to burning of a candle. Take a small candle and measure its length with a scale. Now fix it at a suitable place and ignite it. Let it burn for some time. Now blow out the candle and measure its length again. Can the change in the length of the candle be reversed? No, it cannot change. Observe the below given picture. Children, the next activity is heating wax. Let the candle make to burn a while. The candle starts melting slowly into wax. If you were to take some wax in a pan and heat it, can this change be reversed? Yes, it can be reversed. The melting wax is converted into a solid state. Observe the below given pictures. Children, understood? Children, the next activity is burning incense stick. What do you mean by incense stick? Children, agarbattis. Okay. Ignite an incense stick. Wait till it burns away completely. What are the changes that occur in the incense stick? The stick burns to produce some new materials, right? These are ash and some gases, correct? We cannot see these gases but can sense them due to their pleasant smell. What do you mean by pleasant? Good fragrance. Okay? Can this change be reversed? No, it cannot be reversed. Observe the below given pictures. Children, the next activity is curd and warm milk. Take a small quantity of curd is added to warm milk. The milk is stirred and is set aside for a few hours at a warm place. In a few hours, the milk changes into curd, right? Have you seen this? Can this change be reversed? No, it cannot be changed. Correct, children? Observe the below given images. Children, the next concept is, could there be other ways to bring a change? Let us discuss. The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is smaller in size than a wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. That means expands. Now, the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contrasts and fit tightly on the handle. Observe the below given pictures. Children, similarly, the same method is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel as shown in the figure. Children, what do you mean by rim? Rim is a metal frame which is fixed in the wooden wheel. Understood? So, again the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured over the rim, which contrasts and fits tightly into the wheel. Observe the below given figures. Children, from this chapter, we find that some changes can be reversed while some other cannot be reversed. By this, we have completed this chapter. Note down the home assignment. First main, answer the following statements. Can changes be reversed? Raw egg to boiled egg, wet cloths to dry cloths, cold milk to hot milk, bud to flower, ice cream to melted ice cream. Thank you. We will join in the next class.